This extension spring has full twisted loop ends and is made of a ISI 1065 oil-tempered wire. The spring has 84 coils and is close wound with a preload of 16 pounds. What is the maximum allowable spring deflection? This is the first example for the extension springs design main video. Link below. To answer this question, we'll need to know the spring constant K and the maximum force possible that will not cause any of our three factors of safety to be lower than 1. We have a body stress that uses the same expression as the shearing stress of compression springs, and that shouldn't be larger than the shearing yield strength. A torsional stress at either hook B that should also not be larger than the shearing yield strength, and the normal stress on hook point A that shouldn't be larger than the yield strength. We can find the A coefficient and M exponent for oil-tempered wire, and with them and the diameter value, we can calculate the ultimate tensile strength. The yield strength would be 75% of it, and the shearing yield strength 50% of the ultimate strength. For all three stresses, we need the coil diameter, which is the outer diameter minus the wire diameter. For the KB of the body stress, we would need the spring index C to find its value of 1.166. With this value, we can find that the maximum force that doesn't cause the body to yield is equal to 110.8 pounds. For the torsional stress, we need its stress correction factor, and for it, C2. With R2 being 1/4 of an inch plus the radius of the wire, we find C2, KB, and with it, the maximum force that wouldn't cause the torsional stress on hook point B to exceed the shearing yield strength. Finally, for the normal stress on hook point A, we need the bending stress correction factor Ka, which depends on C1, which in turn depends on R1. With the value for Ka, we can solve for the maximum force that still doesn't cause the normal stress to overcome the yield strength. Out of the three forces we found, we see that the lowest one is F3. So if the external load is greater than 85.81 pounds, our extension spring would fail due to the normal stress, and therefore the maximum allowable force is F3. The only thing we're missing is the spring constant K, since the preload was given to us. With the elastic modulus and the shear modulus for oil-tempered wire, we can find the number of active coils, which is what we're missing from the spring constant expression. With this spring constant and the maximum allowable force that won't cause failure at any location, we find that the maximum allowable spring deflection is 14.4 inches. Thanks for watching.